Hey folks, Dave Ashenbrenner, Legendary Motorcycles. Welcome back to my shop. This is the grand finale of the Norton Fastback tank. This would be an early model. I believe it's the second iteration where they have the tank badges are actually indented in here. And where a lot of the work is in the outside of these tanks and planishing them to a nice smooth finish on it. But as you can see, there's a lot of fancy footwork that has to be done to the bottoms to circumvent some of the frame pieces on here. There's a frame splay in the back here that comes off the back on the isoelastic frame, as well as there's an isoelastic motor mount for the top end. The head bolts to the underside of the main backbone tube, and these are the frame mounts that line up, and of course these are your petcocks. And this was a lot of fun to make. I kind of like a challenge when it comes to tanks, and you spend a lot of time with the gas tank, so you get to know it. You spend some time working with the shape of the tank, and you really take pride in it because you know you've got a lot of time invested in it. So by the end of the tank, you feel like you've really accomplished something. This is a lot of fun. I don't know anybody else that's doing aluminum tanks in this style, but this is something that we make, and that's available. Once again, the original tank was fiberglass, and there aren't too many of those left anymore these days. And what ones are probably in a museum bikes. In fact, we've got some aluminum on museum bikes around. I don't know if I should say where they are, but a lot of them are in private collections too. And this is what makes that special model bike. This is what makes it authentic. This is what authenticates it. So if you're looking for something like this, we also make these. It's not cheap, but it's available, and we take a lot of pride in our work. This will be going out. I thought I'd just shoot this up real quick so you guys could see before it goes out the door. So appreciate you stopping by. Dave Ashenbrenner, Legendary Motorcycles. We'll see you next time. Thank you.